Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add initials to your document on the SignEasy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the My Library button down below, which is the third option, and click on the document that you want to sign. Click on Start Signing and then tap on Sign Document. After that you should click on the Initials button down below, which is the second one, and then you should add your initials, but first select the color of the tint and add your initials. After that, click on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can make it bigger and smaller and position it within the screen. After that, tap on the checkmark icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on Complete Signing or Save as Draft. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.